What's up, y'all? Today we're about to be doing a bumper tuck on the 350Z. Look who we're pulling up. Watch this shit. Anyways, on today's agenda, I'm about to do a bumper tuck. Got a new exhaust if you haven't noticed that. No, it's not a Tommy. Apex Seafood. Yeah. Let's get it. A little before and after. Alright, y'all, just got the car jacked up. For me, it's gonna be easier because I have a single exit exhaust already. For those of you who are doing it with the stock muffler still on, it might be a hassle because this part isn't gonna be free. What I'm gonna need to take off, I'm guessing, because I didn't really search this up. I'm just going about it because it doesn't look too hard. Bolt right there, and probably gonna have to pry the other one out. Same thing on this side, and then I'm guessing it should just fold up, and yeah. But yeah, so you guys get an idea just how it is right now, and then after it's tucked, all this is gonna be exposed. So dope. Alright, y'all, this is the last time you guys are gonna see it without the bumper tuck. Get a close look again. For the screws, these are the ones I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna be putting 5, and hopefully that'll be good. I think that should be plenty though. No problem with 5 screws holding it up. That should be enough. Oh, I can't wait to see how the exhaust gets exposed. That's gonna be too sick. Here's the finished product. Ended up not using the screws and just zip tying it. Couldn't manage how to drill through this, or we didn't have a power drill that was good enough for that. So we just drilled holes into this and put some zip ties by drilling some holes into the bumper, and it looks pretty stable. And yeah, should be ready to go. I'll get some day shots tomorrow for you guys, and they are right here. Transition now. What's up, y'all? It's the next day now. Finally got some sunlight out here so I can show you guys the bumper tuck I did. Here it is. Came out pretty good. 3 zip ties was enough. That's all I needed. Looks so sick. Makes the exhaust pop out so much more. This isn't a Tommy, since everyone's probably gonna think it's a Tommy. It's an Apexy single exit exhaust. I'll make a video on it soon, but for now I'll just leave you guys with the idle. Yeah, that shit sounds crazy. And yeah, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Got some crazy stuff coming in for the Z. Stay tuned. I'll catch you guys on the next one.